When your organization is the victim of a cyber attack, every second counts. But recovery isn't just about speed, it's about trust, integrity, and resilience. Cyber incidents leave IT teams facing an uphill battle. Compromised systems, questionable backups, and the need for an isolated recovery environment. Lack of expert support can make restoring services alone daunting, and every minute lost deepens reputational damage. IT Partners Cyber Recovery Solution, powered by data protection leaders Cohesity and 1111 Systems, delivers amplified resilience. In the face of disaster, we help get your IT services back online in days, not weeks. We provide secure, isolated, zero-trust recovery environments, allowing you to verify your data is clean and reliable before restoration. And as a scalable, subscription-based solution, we eliminate the need for significant infrastructure investments. Your team is supported by experienced cyber recovery consultants, working hand-in-hand with you to triage risks, remediate vulnerabilities, and recover services. Our dynamic recovery runbooks stay aligned with your business priorities, ensuring recovery isn't just possible. It's planned, practiced, and proven. When the inevitable worst happens, our team of experts are at your side, minimizing downtime and fast-tracking IT services back to production safely. Don't let cyber attackers dictate your fate. Take control with IT Partners Cyber Recovery Solution. Face tomorrow's threats with confidence, knowing your recovery strategy is planned, secure and ready when you need it most. IT Partners, architecting resilience, enabling continuity, and helping you move forward faster.